Elsewhere, Spanish authorities on Monday rescued 86 people from a boat near the Canary Islands that appeared to be from Senegal, following a report by an aid group that 3 boats from the African country went missing with 300 people on board. Spain's Maritime Rescue Service said it could not confirm that the rescue boat was one of the 3 that are reported missing, but told the Associated Press that the vessel was a multicolored 65-foot long canoe from Senegal as a Piras. Now, 80 men and 6 women of sub-Saharan origin were rescued and expected to reach Spain soil on Monday evening. The Spanish agency said it also said it had alerted boats sailing in Atlantic waters between the Canary Islands and West Africa to be on the outlook of another migrant boat still missing. 2 boats departed on June 23rd from Bour, a coastal city in central Senegal, carrying about 100 people, and a 3rd one left the southern town of Kafountine 4 days later with approximately 200 people, according to reports.